Welcome to STS IDE. Open your STS IDE. On this STS IDE, you will see that project 4 is there. I need to right click on this project. I need to say export as a WAR file, and I need to provide a destination folder where you wanted to create the WAR file. So I will show you and delete the previous one, and I will show you how to provide a destination. You need to click on the browse browse button on the E drive. I want to store that WAR in this directory location. So this is the destination path. So remove the unnecessary spaces in between your WAR file name and provide a runtime target for your WAR file. I want to deploy this WAR into my Weblogic server, so I am providing Weblogic server as an runtime environment here, and I need to click on finish. So friend, this is how you can create the WAR file on your folder location. This is the location where you saved your WAR file. Now